Hey everyone, Ali G here. I just want to give you a quick tutorial, just a quick rundown of MemeBuddy in action. Obviously, there's tons of other videos in our members area once you're in, but this is just a quick rundown. So this is MemeBuddy. I'm going to show you, but before I do, I had a snapshot of an article from Forbes, which is a business publication, a recent article. Memes, a digital marketing tool for every industry. So, this is something that all the major companies are doing and are effectively basically implementing into their marketing strategy. So this is the MemeBuddy user interface. As long as you have an internet connection, you can access MemeBuddy in all its power from any device. So you log in, and I'm logged in. So now this dashboard quickly just shows me very quickly how I can get to everything. So there's trending memes. We also have additional, not just memes, but we also have additionally GIFs, trending videos. We also have the popular memes that are done for you already, which are popular, like they already have the text in there as well. The system constantly updates with new memes and new GIFs, so you always have a plethora of media to go through and to utilize as your own. You know, so okay, so let me just get right into it. So here in the meme section, but before I get to the meme section, when you first log in, you quickly link your Facebook, Instagram accounts. I personally don't really use Instagram, so but I have a couple Twitter accounts, as you can see, they're linked already. My Facebook account. So once these are linked, you're ready to rock and roll. So you just go to the popular meme section. You can see these popular memes that our system is always looking for, and they are brought in from Reddit, Facebook pages, different areas that are known to be you know, meme centers where people are posting all the time the hottest memes. So you have them all here under one roof, right? And that's one thing. But now, these are done for you. These already have the text in there. But if you go to the trending templates, these are all templates that people use all the time. I'm sure you've seen some of them. Everybody's seen the cat one, right? The women screaming at the cat that's at the dinner table. I personally have never seen a cat at a dinner table, but I guess there's always something, right? We can let's just go with this one. Everybody loves Will Ferrell. With this system, you can create animated memes and static memes, meaning that these memes that are currently static, they're just images. You can make them into animated memes, but that's there's so many features in MemeBuddy that honestly, if I kept going on and on, it would probably be a 7-hour video here. And I'm trying to be just to the point, just to give you an idea of the power of it, right? So over here, I just quickly put the text box here, right? And I want to make the color actually black, okay? And maybe make the font style a bit different. Let's see, what can I pick? There's so many to pick from, and I'll just do this one, Sensation Bold, and I'll make it even bolder. Okay, so I'll go over here and be like, when you realize the power of meme buddy. And that in itself, because people love Will Ferrell, right? He's everywhere in movies and all that, at least in the U.S. and I'm pretty sure around the world as well. So you know, you obviously can do whatever you want with the text. So and the software also gives you ideas too, because on the bottom here, as you can see, there's all these memes that are already in the system that are part of this template, and the system identifies memes that are in the system. So it gives you ideas as well. Not to mention that when users make their own memes, they have the option of being able to share it within our meme buddy system. So it's kind of like a social network in a way. You can, of course, go into drawing mode. You can add shapes. You can add tons of emojis if you'd like. but we're not gonna get too crazy. We're gonna keep it to the point. So I'm just gonna hit save on this, and then make it ready for me to do something with it. So I'm going to, it's already here. These are other memes I created. You can view it. You can delete it if you like, or share it on my Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. It just takes one click. So I'm gonna just go over here to my Facebook, and I'm gonna give it a title. So I'm gonna be like, okay, want amazing engagement and traffic results, and I will get rid of this text here. That's just some dummy text, and I'll just write here. Go to this link. Go to this link for a free gift and software and marketing software download. A lot of marketers give out software plugins and little software solutions, just as free gifts to bring in leads. If they have a squeeze page set up. So in this case, I'm gonna throw in one of my websites, so that when this pops up, everybody ends up at my website. So I'm gonna go to ollygmarketing.com. Now, this all seems like it's all great and simple. But the cool thing about Meme Bunny is that you can, with one click over here, add trending hashtags. The software over here will identify your what you wrote here and give you hashtag suggestions, emoji suggestions, auto emojify, which if you just click this, it will automatically add emojis to it and all that. I'm not trying to get into all that right now, but I just wanted to give you an idea of the power of Meme Bunny. And my business partner Yogesh has another video. Has tons of videos also in the members area as well. But there's another video as well, going even more in depth. But I just wanted to give you an idea how simple it is. And then all you do is you just quickly just select your time zone. And once you select your time zone, it's in the system, right? So I'm in New York, and I'll just put that in there. And I'll have this go out on the 27th of June, let's say 2 a.m. whatever and 2:10 whatever. Make it exactly at that time. I can all my pages come up, that I have under that Facebook profile. So I add it to this page. Quit your day job page today page, and I just hit next, and that's it. And that's all it takes to be up and running with Meme Buddy in all its glory, and get all those infectious, rabid clicks, the virality, all that good stuff. You're now part of a community of marketers that have a mindset similar to yours or what you're trying to do. So it's really good that you can see what others are doing too within our system, right? If they decide to share it within our system, you can get points. See, I have 47 points here, for what you post up, what you share, what you create. We really created a one-stop shop here for everyone under the sun because memes work for any niche, as I'm sure you know. So I hope everyone just gets a general idea of how easy this is to use, and you have so many different options. Like I don't want to make this into a 10-hour video, so I'm gonna leave it at that for now. Yogesh, he's got other videos all there for you ready, and I would love to see you all on the inside.